Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today my model with the bitten nails asked me to do something unusual for me. Oh yeah, there is something very unusual for me. This is a video experiment in which I will doing nail extension in the folding jacket technique 14 years later, and this is really no joke. Despite my extensive experience in the nail industry, I have absolutely no experience in the layout jacket technique. For the first time in my life, I made a folding jacket when I was studying in nail extension courses, and then it was on an acrylic system, and imagine how it was. Not everyone can do the usual nail extension, especially when you are just studying at the courses. At this moment, in general, everything is new and everything is incomprehensible. But what can we say about the folding jacket? In short, I once had this experience, and to be honest, this technique was a nightmare for me then, and remains a nightmare for me today. Maybe someday I will try this technique again, but I doubt very much that I will like it. And now I have a question for you. How do you like my second folding jacket in my life? Write your opinion in the comments. I know I've made a million mistakes that need a lot of work on, and yet this is my second attempt at making a folding jacket. Anyway, it was interesting for me, and I hope it was interesting for you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.